Want to manage more than one AOL email account on the same device? It's super easy to add a second AOL account. Let me show you how. First, open the AOL mail account in your browser. Now, in the top right corner, you can see the profile icon. Tap on it and tap on Sign Out. Now, you will be signed out of the current AOL account. To add a second AOL email account, now you just need to log in to another AOL email account. Type in your username and password and click Login. Do you manage multiple email accounts or do you prefer sticking to one? Let me know in the comments. If you are having trouble adding a second account, make sure your AOL Mail app is updated to the latest version. You can also try clearing the app's cache, then try again. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.